Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So, for learning money. Okay, so what is 1 rupee? 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. One. Okay, good. 1 rupee is equal to
100 paise.
Okay. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So, children, to convert. Okay. To convert rupees to paise, what we have to do? Multiply with 100. To convert back paise to rupees, what we will do? Divide by 100. So every time 100 we are using here, there is no 10, there is no 1000. So children, how many digits we have to always move? Only 2 digits. Okay, only 2 digits. When we multiply, we will move the digits from left to right. Okay, left to right. But when we convert back, paise to rupees from right to left. Only this you have to be careful. Okay, how to change the decimal point. And we will do together. So just listen. I will write it on the board. 1 minute. Okay, children. So yesterday we learned 1 rupees 1 is equal to 100 paise. So rupees 2 is equal to how many paise?
200 paise.
200. So children, how we are converting rupees to paise? Multiply with 100. Multiply with 100. So I told you easy method. How? Write the number, then add how many zeros? 2 0. Then write here instead of rupees, we will write paise. Only that much. Okay. Now, children, the same question. But here I don't have any decimal point. Nothing is there. But here I have 50 paise. This is rupees 7, 50 paise. So how we will change? Here we have two places after the decimal. So children, this decimal we should move from 1, 2 digits. That means write the number without any decimal point. Understood? Write the number without any decimal point and write the paise. Understood? So children, now we are learning only one, listen carefully, okay? Now we are learning only rupees to paise. So it is only multiply. We will come back. Paise to rupees, what we will do? That I will explain after some time. So here, to multiply, what did I say? Write the number, add 20. Write the number, add 20. But children, here it is there already 2 digits after the decimal. So you have to move this decimal point after 2 digits. That means 1, 2 digits. After 750, if you put the decimal, there is no value. So write the number without the decimal point. Write the number without the decimal point. So one more question. 8 rupees 25 paise. 8 rupees 25 paise. How will I write paise? Here I have 2 digits. So this decimal, I want to change 2 digits to the right side. This side you have to be very careful. When you do multiply with 100, you have to move the decimal point 1, 2. So that means I give you easy method. How? Write the number without any decimal point. Only that much. Is that easy? Write the decimal. Write the number without any decimal number. So rupees 18. How I told you, right? Here there is no decimal point. So what do you have to do? Write the number, add to 0. That much paise. So 18 rupee 50 paise means it will be, write the number without decimal point. That means we are shifting 1, 2 digits. So children, this is conversion of rupees to paise. Now, paise to rupees. Back, that is opposite. Paise to rupees. Yesterday, children, we learned what we have to do. Divide by 100. What we have to do? Divide. This you have to be very careful. Rupees to paise, multiply. To multiply, I told you just add 2 0. If there is decimal, you have to move 2 digits, then write the number without decimal point. But paise to rupees back, divide by 100. That also I told you, easy method. If I'm taking this paise, 1850 paise, I want to convert into rupees. What did I say? Divide by 100. Divide by 100. Yesterday, children, I gave you easy way. What we have to do? Start from the back. Right side. 1, 2. Put the point. That is what we have here. 18 rupees 50 paise. 18 rupees 50 paise. Okay. So divide by 100 means what we have to do, children? From the right side, move 1, 2, then place a decimal point. That means 18 rupees 50 paise. Okay. Again, 1890 paise. So what do you have to do, children? Rupees to paise, 1, 2. Put the decimal point, 18 rupees 90 paise. So this 80 rupees 90 paise. How can I move back to paise? How can I move back to paise? Write the number without the decimal point. So that much paise. So rupees to paise and paise to rupees, that is the opposite functions. Rupees to paise, we will multiply. Multiply means from the left to right. So how we will write back? We will move from right to left, then put the decimal point. Only this much. Okay, children, can I give you some questions? Can you do in the rough book? Yes or no? Okay, all the children, please take out your rough book. Question number 1. 19 rupees. How you will write in paise? 19 rupees. How you will write in paise? Next one. 20 rupees. 20 rupees. 50 paise. How you will write in paise? Next one. The paise is given. 2050 paise. How you will write in rupees? Only 3 questions. Okay, children. All of you. Only 3 questions. Yes, Christo, are you writing in the rough book? Fast, fast. Some children, they are doing very fast. They are ready with their books. And they are ready to answer. Okay, so children, 19 rupees. Who can tell me the answer? Write the number. Write the number. How many zero?
20.
Very good. 1900. Write the same number. 19. Then how many zeros? Just add 2 0. Okay. So question number 2. Yes, yes. Say the answer.
2050.
Write the number without a decimal point. Okay. That means we are shifting this 1, 2 digits from the left to right. Okay. The correct answer. Because here, write the number without the decimal point. Okay. Now back. Paise to rupees. What we have to do? Move from the right. Yes, yes. 20 point. Very good. 20.50. Very good. So children, what we have to do? From the right side, 1, 2 digit, then put there 1 decimal point. So this much, how much rupees? 20 rupees plus how many paise here? 50 paise. 20, this is the rupee part. That number before the decimal point, that much rupees. 20 rupees after the decimal point, which is that number 50 paise. So 20 rupees, 50 paise. Very good. Did you get the correct answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good, children. So take it fast, your math workbook. Page number 49. Let me see who is getting faster. Page number 49.
Very good.
Only for me. No need to say together because some children, there is network problem. Yes, very good. Can you tell me how many questions over? 12. 12 questions over. 12 questions. Some children, they have done more, no problem. But how much question we have done in the class? 12 questions. Okay. Now, question number 13. Children, I will show you easy method. That means only write the answer. But one question I will write the steps. Okay. That steps you can understand. And we can use our method to check whether our answer is correct. So one question I will show you the steps. Okay, Devdutt, mute your audio. Devdutt, mute your audio.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
12.
Question number 12, it's over, no?
No. Yes, ma'am.
That is over, Nikha. So that was convert 5000. How to convert into rupees? Tell me rupees. We will move back 1, 2.
1, 2.
So that means 50 rupees. That we have done yesterday. Okay. Now question number 13. Okay, children. Question number 13. Yes, read. Ashwin, faster. Convert. A. Rupees.
621 rupees.
621 point.
12 into
12 paise. 12 paise. Okay. Now, children, all the children, please listen carefully. I show you easy method. What is the easy method? Write the number without a decimal point. 62112 paise. Because here we have 2 digits. We are moving 2 digits. Okay. So write the number without decimal point. Okay, Ashwin, please listen. But I want to, for one question, I will show you the steps. Now, look here, how many rupees? In this question, how many rupees? This much is the rupee part, 621. And this is the paise. We will write that step here, rupees. Look at here, how many? 621. Yes. How many paise? 12 paise. Okay. Now, children, I told you how to convert rupees to paise. Write the number. Then add how many 0? 2 0. So this means 62,100. Then add 12. No need to add these 2 because I have already given you the easy method. Write the number without decimal point. So this step you have to write for one question. All of you write it faster. Which is the question? 621. 600 and question number 13. A. 621.12. That is 6 rupees, 621.12. So children, what did I say? First step, write the rupees, 621. Then write the paise, 12 paise, add. Now, rupee, I told you how to write the, how we can convert into paise. Write the number, add how many 0? 2 0. Then add 12 paise. This also paise. Now this also paise. So children, you can see when we add, you will get this. Otherwise, what is the easy step? Write the number without any decimal point. Is that clear? Now 13th one, B. 13th one, B. So what is the question? Convert 46532. 46532. Convert 46532 532 paise into rupees. Rupees. So children, what we have to do? We will write. I will write in the next page. Okay, I will send the notes after the class. Please try to write it faster. I will send this again. 13B. 13th B. So children, the question is 46532. 46532 paise. How we can convert paise to rupees? Paise to rupees. Divide by 100. Divide by 100. Divide by 100. What did I teach you? What is the easy method? Just move. How many digits? 1, 2. Someone is speaking something. It's not audible because of the network problem. So that audio is not clear. I think some network issue. Okay. Now children, write the number. How many digits after that we have to place the decimal point?
We should put the decimal point.
We have to put the decimal point only, that much. Very easy. Yes. How many digits from the right side? 2 digits.
2 digits.
Yes. So children, question number 14. We can do the same question. Same model. Same what we have done 14A. 13A and 14A are the same. So we have rupees 33.33. So how many rupees here? Check in the. I will show you this step. How many rupees? Rupees 33. And how many paise? Can you see the board? Same 33 paise. So before writing the step, I can write the answer. What is the number? Write the number without a decimal point. Very easy. Write the number without a decimal point because we are moving 1, 2. Then after that, we are placing the decimal. So no need to write that decimal point after the number. So just write the number without the decimal point. So one more step is here. What we have to do here, children? Write the number. Write the number. Then how many 0? Tell me. Rupees 33. Write 33. Then add how many 0? 2 0 plus 33. So what's the answer? 3,333 paise. 3,333 paise. Okay, children. Now, can you do question number 14B alone? Divide by 100 and tell me the answer. All of you. 14th B. Ranveer, finish writing.
Yes.
Yes? 14th B. You will tell me the answer. Okay. 14th B. Children, what we have to do?
Ma'am, 981.47.
147. 18147 paise. What we have to do?
Ma'am,
Divide by?
Ma'am, from the right side, 2 digits.
2 digits. Okay. Tell me the answer. From the right side, we have to move and decimal point. Okay.
2 digits and put the decimal point.
Tell me the answer.
Ma'am, 981.47.
Yes, very good. See, look here. After 2 digits, we have to put the decimal point here. From here, 1, 2. So, 981.47. Now, this paise became what? Rupee. So, we will write here rupees. Anthony, finish writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, what's the answer? Children, 981.47. 981.47. Divide by 100 means just move 2 digits from the right side. 1, 2. Then put a decimal point.
14th, I know finished.
Finished. Very good. Now, children, 15 and 16, they are same. 15 and 16, they are same. So, A, B, we will do here. C and D, children, you will do as homework. Okay, children, can we do question number 15?
Yes.
So, question number 15A, what we have to do? 4, 2, 5, 8. Wait. All the children, please keep, please mute your audio. Christoph, mute your audio. 4, 2. Yes. 5, 8, 9, 5. Say. So, children, 5 say to rupees. Just now we have done. How we have done? What we have to do? 4, 2, 5, 8, 9. Divide by 100. Divide by 100 means what? Just move the decimal point. 1 minute, Christo. I will give. 1, 2. Put the decimal point. Only this much. Rupees 425.89. So again, question. All these same questions, children, you have to do. 50590. Tell me the answer. 50590 paise. 50590. This divide by 100. Now I am writing 1 divide by 100. So how many 0? How many place we have to move? 2. So what's the answer? 1, 2. Put the decimal point. So the answer is, tell me. Yes. 505.90. Okay, so children, here after the decimal point we will have 2 decimal place. 2 decimal place. So C and D, children, it's homework. You can complete later. What you have to do? Just put the decimal point. You completed already. Very good. So here put the decimal point. Here also put the decimal point.
Ma'am, I completed full.
Then children, we will do now question number 16. A and B here now. C and D, the same questions homework. 36,851 paise. Same question. Paise to rupees. Divide by 100. So children, how will I write the step here? 368.51. Divide by 100. So what will I do? 1, 2. That means I have rupees 368.51. Put a decimal point from the back, from the right side, 2 digits. After 2 digits. So what's the answer of question number B? 23749 paise. How we can convert? 1, 2. Put the decimal point. 237.49. 2 rupees. 237. 237 point.
Ma'am, I finished.
Finish. Question number C and D, children, same like this. Put a decimal point only. So this is homework.
Ma'am, C and D also finished.
C and D also finished. Very good. So question number 17. Christo, can you read now? Question number 17.
Sam has
67,000.
67,899 paise. Convert the amount to rupees.
Okay. So children, the same question, but here there is a word problem. So we will write amount with Shyam. Amount with Shyam. Amount with Shyam. What's the amount with Shyam? 67899 paise. Convert that into rupees. Just now we have done that much only. The same question. 67899 divide by 100. So how much rupees he is having with him?
Six, seven, six, 899.
Huh?
6,778.99.
1, 2. Children, look at the number clearly.
678.99.
Rupees 678.
0.99.
So he has rupees 678.99 rupees with him. So children, write these steps. I am giving you easy steps. When I'm sending the notes, there will be more steps. So no need to write it again. What we are writing in the class, that much step is enough. Okay. Just divide by 100. Then write the answer with the point, decimal point here. So here in this question, I was showing you 99 by 100. So these two digits, after these two digits, from the right side, we had to place the decimal point. Question number 18. Ryan, can you read? Ryan, Riju.
Yes, ma'am. Anu has
1,000
paise and Ria has 55.
rupees
55. Do they both have the same amount of money?
Okay. So children, 1 rupee is Anu, that amount is given in paise. 5500. And Ria, she said that in rupees.
Ma'am,
Both of them are
same amount.
same amount. Okay, children. When we convert rupees to paise, what we had to do? Add 20. So when we add 20 with the 55, it will become 5500. So that is the same amount. Can we write it fast?
Yes.
Yes. So children, amount with the Ria. Amount with Ria. Question number 18. Amount with Ria. Amount with Ria. It is, first we can write with Anu. The first one, it is given amount with Anu. Anu has how much paise? 5500 paise. So children, we can divide this and write 5500 by 100. So what is that? Rupees 55. Because children, we know if we have divide means what? We have to place 2 decimal. Yes. Then put the, so it is after that 00. So we are not writing that now. We just write rupees 55. Now amount with Ria. Amount with.
Ma'am, can you
amount with Ria. When I was submitting, that board went. Amount with Ria. Amount with Ria. What is that? It is rupees 55. So amount with Anu also 55. Amount with Ria also 55. So that means both have same amount. So Anu and Ria. Anu and Ria have same amount. Same amount. Okay, children, finish writing.
No, ma'am.
Write fast. The time is over. I will send the notes.
No, ma'am.
I will send the notes after this class. Okay, amount with Anu. Write that first. Amount with Anu. It is given 5,500. Then we convert into rupees. Rupees 55. Yes, very good. Amount with Ria. Rupees 55. That means what? Anu and Ria have same amount. Okay, children. I will send the notes after this class. Okay. So bye bye, children. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.